Hey developers, ever thought about diving into smart TV app development? Stick around, because in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to give you a quick step-by-step guide to get you started. First up, you need to choose a platform. Are you going for Android TV, Apple TV, Roku, or something else? Each platform has its unique SDK and development environment. For example, Android TV uses Android Studio, while Apple TV uses Xcode. Your choice here will shape your entire development process. Once you've picked your platform, it's time to get familiar with the SDK. Dive into the documentation, play around with the tools, and get comfortable. Android TV developers will be spending a lot of time in Android Studio, coding in Java or Kotlin. Apple TV developers will live in Xcode using Swift or Objective-C. Now let's get to the fun part, developing and testing your app. Start writing your code and test it on an emulator, or better yet, a real device. Debugging is a crucial step. Catch those bugs early before they become a headache. When your app is polished and ready to go, it's time to publish. Each platform has its App Store, Google Play for Android TV, the App Store for Apple TV, and so on. Follow their guidelines to get your app approved and available to users. If you're more into coding that runs directly on the TV hardware, we're talking about embedded systems programming. This is for the hardcore developers out there. You'll need to understand the hardware intricately and use low-level programming languages like C or C++. Develop firmware to control the TV's functions directly. But wait, there's more. Many modern TVs support web-based applications too. You can use standard web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Frameworks like React or Angular can streamline your development process. Don't forget to integrate with TV-specific APIs for features like remote control input or media playback. To help you get started, there are plenty of resources out there. Online courses on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Pluralsight can be invaluable. And don't forget to check out the official documentation for your chosen platform, like the Android TV Developer Guide or the Apple TV Developer Guide. Lastly, join developer communities and forums. Share your knowledge, get help when you're stuck, and stay updated with the latest trends and tools. That's it for this quick guide on smart TV app development. Dive in, start coding, and who knows, your app could be the next big thing on the big screen. Happy coding!